In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook notification sound not working. If you're not being able to receive the Facebook notification sound on any sort of notification within the entire app of Facebook, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, firstly, what you need to do is check if the notifications is enabled or not first of all. So from the profile section, head over to the three lines on the top left, head over to settings, and right here you'll be able to see the option called notifications. On the notifications tab, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure that the push notifications is enabled. If this is muted for you or if this is toggled on, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Apart from this, you can also take a look at all of the other options or all of the other notifications and check if the push notifications for these are enabled or not as well. So once you do this first step, you should be able to fix this issue in most cases. However, if the issue still persists, then what you need to also ensure is that if the do not disturb mode on your phone is enabled. If that is enabled on your phone, make sure you disable it and your issue should be automatically solved. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this is likely due to a bug or a glitch on your device. So what you need to do is uninstall Facebook from your device, again re-download it and log into your account so that any sort of bugs will be automatically fixed. Also, what you can do is try restarting your device. If your phone currently has glitches and glitches are currently causing this issue, once you restart your device, this issue should also be fixed. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.